Before I called ABC, the door wasn't open. Sometimes will open, sometimes won't. The keypad was not working, it was broken, it wasn't locking, so I need security. I was very surprised when ABC repaired the door. It sounds so smooth, so nice, quiet. Working with Sean and Hollis, they were professional, they were friendly, they knew what my problem was. They were very fast. I will definitely recommend ABC. They were attentive to my needs.